Hi, this is Kevin Graham at TechGno, turning Tech Talk into Biz Talk. We're at InfoTech Live 2024. David Petty, Incept, tell us about your data solutions.
Lovely to meet you, Kevin. Incept Data Solutions is a consulting organization, and we provide services to our customers to help them determine what they need for data enablement across their entire enterprise.
Big need in today's large enterprise world, that's for sure. Tell us about some of the approaches you take and how you work with your clients.
Well, we can come in with our clients and we do a small effort to determine what they need through to a whole sourcing event across, as we're system agnostic. So we help them decide what they need, and then we can help them with their implementations. And in this sort of world of AI that we have, knowing that you've got decent data coming through into your reference models, into your Snowflake, into your Excel sheets, that's what we do. We're there to provide those solutions to help them have that confidence in their data.
Outstanding. So you're flexible in how you work with your clients. And so it begs the question around expertise. So tell us about the expertise of the organization.
Yeah, so we have, I've been a chief data officer for a Fortune 100 bank, and we have a good, solid team across the United States and internationally who can service our clients. Whether it's SAP ERP backgrounds, whether it's specific systems, whether it's Snowflake, whatever you like, we have that expertise to support our clients.
Outstanding. So we try to focus on business value at TechGno, and I want to ask you about some of the impacts to your clients, or if you want to, tell us about a customer journey. You know, what's it like for an enterprise? You're meeting us where we're at. Yeah, we have needs. Maybe we need full scope needs, or maybe we just need a little bit of guidance. What's that journey like for the client? How do they approach you? How do you engage with them?
So when we're engaging with our clients, we're looking to understand where they are in their journey. Some people are already along it and they're hitting roadblocks. Some people are fresh to it. It tends to be in the world today that most people are somewhere on the journey, and they're trying to understand how they can get to a position where they can achieve these new data goals that are out there for organizations. So if you can imagine, just visually, if we have all of these disparate systems across an organization, we can automatically ingest that information, that data, into a central governance catalog. That catalog, we work with the businesses and the business folks in the organization to determine they get what they need, and then we can use that and a continuous data quality monitoring side of it for remediation. We then feed that published data into a data marketplace that provides data products that can be used then in an Excel, in a Snowflake, in a data lake, in a data warehouse, in an AI-linked reference model. Whatever they need to use it for is an ongoing point. They have this central hub that's enabled their data to give them what they need. And you can create those products for the silos in your organization where people simply want to see what they need to see, or you can have it wider across a whole group of different areas of your business. And that's what we do.
I heard today that IT is, yes, even a silo themselves. So that wasn't my words, folks. Good stuff. So business value, engaging the clients. How do we learn more? How do we find you online? Because where I'm pausing is when you talk about data catalog, when you talk about data pipelines, talk about data engineering, it's kind of a new paradigm now. It's not always the EDW, the enterprise data warehouse. It's not always in the cloud at one specific cloud. There's a mixed environment, but there's a need for speed. There's a need for agility. There's a need for no data movement. Data replication's a problem. Latency's a problem.
Absolutely.
So tell us whatever you want about those kind of dynamics, because I struggle with them myself, but I know that large enterprises are really wrapped around the axle around some of this stuff. Some of them have embedded systems that they just can't pull out somehow, and they need to go forward. Some of them are just cutting the cord and trying to adopt new cloud methodologies. What do you speak to the modernization kind of dynamic?
So as part of our service, we also do data strategy. And that's really what you're talking about, is which way do we go forward with this? Are we cloud? Are we on-prem? Can we move our data from one jurisdiction to another? What's our data sharing? What are our policies? We can help our clients understand those, and then we really make them happen in the solutions, so that we have the right accesses in place. We have the right understanding of the data for the business usage. We take a use case driven approach so that we can make sure that they get the right data products that they need. And what we tend to find is we put the sort of central digital or IT or whatever we're calling ourselves today team in a position where they're providing real value to their businesses. And the business owners and the business data owners, they get what they need quickly in a visual way that they understand, and they're like, and more often than not, they're like, I'll take more of that, please.
Right. Well, you can always tell the strategist, because when guys like me are bumbling and stumbling with all those concepts I try to walk through, you eloquently speak to how you can approach it with your clients. How do we find you online? How do we learn more?
Well, we're inceptds.com, right? So you can find us there. And we're based out of Virginia near the Washington and Dulles airport. So we can come to you, we can speak with you online, help you get where you need to. If you want to have just a one-to-one conversation with one of us, we can do that. If you want a demo with some of these products, we can do that. Whatever you like.
Flexible, experienced, and effective is how I would read that. David Petty, thanks for taking the time.
Kevin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet us.
And thank you, everybody.
You're welcome. Thank you, viewers. This is Kevin Graham at TechGno. Watch for more videos from Infotech Live 2024.
𝗧𝗲. It's Irish for business.
TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk.